Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create footer in Shopify Dawn theme. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, my actual theme is done, so I don't need to change it anymore. But if your theme is actually not done, then you can actually head over and then try to change that. Another thing that you can do is you can actually just add a footer in any theme that is actually existing on Shopify. So no need to change it if you don't want the Dawn theme. So head over in here on your actual theme and click on this customize button. Once you have clicked on it, it will show you this Shopify editor. Now on the Shopify editor, once you scroll down on this left sidebar, you should be able to see this footer right here. It is actually automatic and you don't need to add it anymore. So for example, you can just scroll down and you should be able to see it from in here. This is what the footer looks like. So for example, on some cases, that you actually deleted or hide this footer right here. If the footer has been hidden, it will only be hidden on your actual store and not on your left sidebar right here. So let me try to unhide that by just clicking on this eye icon, and then it should be added on my actual theme or site right here. So once you have your footer, you can actually just edit it out. You can edit out the color scheme that they have right here. For example, I change it into blue in order to match the theme of my site. And then in here, I can also show the email sign up. So if I uncheck this, this will remove the subscribe to emails button. So I'll just enable that because I want to build an email list. Now in here, you can also change the heading for this right here. Now when you scroll down, you should be able to see also the follow on my shop, the social media icons, but those social media icons right here, like this Facebook icon, will only enable once you have added enough links for your social media. So when I scroll down right here, I should be able to see theme settings. You can add your links right here. As you can see, I have added one for Facebook. That's why it appeared right here. But I don't have anything for Instagram, YouTube. That's why they didn't appear. Now let's head back again. And then we should be able to see this country or region selector. We can enable this right here in order to make sure that our Shopify is only accessible to selected regions that we like. You can also enter here the language selector or the language selector, as well as the payment methods, as well as the policy links that you have. So you can also change the sex spacing or the section padding, and you can also put in here some links as well as custom CSS that you want to add on your actual footer. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.